Guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. So let's get started. For moisturizing, I'm going to be using Dermdog Skin Hydrating Face Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. It is a really lovely cream with thick consistency and really good for winters. I'm going to take this much. Okay guys, for the next step I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Sun Beige 310, and I'm just going to take half a pump of this, like literally this much. With the help of my ring finger, I'm just gonna spread it out and apply it on my under eyes. Random brush that I got it from Amazon to blend my foundation. So guys, I'm going to take this tiniest bit more just for this pigmentation area, and I'm just going to dab it with my finger. So guys, for eyebrows I have zoomed you in so that I can show you how I fill my eyebrows. I take this Vega Kajal and this flat brush and just take some amount of the kajal on the brush and just fill the gap in my eyebrows. Okay guys, now I'm just going to take this puri brush and brush my eyebrows with it. So that is it. That's what I do on my eyebrows. And for just everyday look, I either apply a kajal or a liner or a mascara. Not everything, or just the two of them. For today I'm going to be using this purple Winking Together kajal in the shade green. I think it's green, it does not mention the shade name, but it is dark green. I'm just going to apply this kajal on my lower lash line. Mascara, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and just coat my lashes with it. See the difference between the both, with mascara and without mascara. So guys, I like to apply my blush every day, and for blush I'm going to be using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade 410 Blissful Berry, and I'm going to take it back of my hand and with the same foundation brush I'm just going to be taking it on my brush and apply it. So guys, that is it. That's the amount of blush I apply every day. It just gives your face a youthful glow. Guys, for lipstick, I either use the tiniest bit of lipstick or just to give some color on my lips, like this much. That's it. Either apply this shade or I apply this Neon lipstick in the shade Deep Red. It is non-transfer lipstick. So guys, I either apply a nude lipstick or a light pinkish lipstick or a deep shade like this. So guys, if you like my tips and tricks of doing everyday makeup, do give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. It will mean the world to me. And till then, bye bye, take care.